Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Fidelity investment account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Fidelity Investments account, firstly go ahead and launch open your web browser. On the search box at the top, type in digital.fidelity.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Fidelity Investments account. Enter your username and password associated with your Fidelity Investments account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember my username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Username or Password option. This is how you can log into your Fidelity Investments account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.